What's up, guys? I don't know what's going on with my internet. I just went and got out a new cable modem from the Comcast store and it is still screwing up, and so I'm gonna have to call Comcast out here. But I have a backup now. I went ahead and put my mobile hotspot on, which has pretty decent internet, usually better than Comcast in all honesty, and so that's what I'm gonna be using just in case this happens again. Sorry about it going out, guys. I have backup this time, so if it goes out again, I'm going to put my mobile hotspot on. It shouldn't be out for more than 30 seconds if it does go out. It's just frustrating. I went out to Comcast, bought a brand new modem, and it's still, my internet is just, the modem is just restarting for no reason, and it's a brand new modem, and so it's getting pretty frustrating. Alright, so I'm looking at CAPR. It's at 188 now. CHFS is still at 421. So watching that. Still watching HMNY for a possible bounce here. But yeah, luckily I was muting my mic because I was yelling and cursing right after my internet went out. It's super frustrating. I just don't want it to happen while I'm in a trade. That's the biggest thing I worry about. Alright, guys, well, we got 9 minutes until the open. So let's check on my swing trades. The ARS. Alright, so I'm break even on this one. 100% break even. IBIO. I'm up a tiny amount on this one. And RCON. I'm up a small amount on this one as well. Yeah, it's just frustrating, R. If you've watched the stream, usually it hasn't happened in the last few months, but the last week it's just been really difficult with Comcast. The modem will just restart itself, right in the middle of it, and I don't know why it does it. I went out and bought a new. I went out and swapped my old modem out because I thought it may be my old modem and got a new one, but it's still doing it, and so it's just frustrating. All right. RSLS is at 145, watching it over this 150 break. Got a high there. Gonna kind of keep an eye on that one, although it's not my favorite one necessarily. Let's see. All right, so CAPR is pushing up at 195 now. It's pushing up, trying to get to that high of the day again. What else? Let's see. But like I said, I have backup this time. If my internet tries to go out again, I have my mobile hotspot, which actually can support this entire stream. I did it the other day when this happened. And so if it goes out again, I should be back live within 30 seconds, I'm guessing. Just frustrating. Rarely happens, but when it does in the middle of a stream, it's pretty frustrating. Alright, so you can see STRM here is up to 157. That high of pre-market is at 160 or 159. So watching it over that level. Sometimes the smallest gap ups run the most. And so this is the first gap up it's had in a while. And it is not a huge gap up, but it's a decent gap up. So we'll see how this one reacts. Also watching GMO here. GMO is right under 39 cents. Watching it over 40. And especially 42. See what happens there. So STRM is right back to 150. We'll see if it can hold over there. Looking at MARA. Watching it over 6 to see what it does here. Alright guys, we got 3 minutes into the open. Hopefully we can all have a decent day. Good luck, everyone. Got a few minutes left. Watching FNSR as well. Huge gap up. Looking for a possible wash with this one, although you can never really tell what it's going to do. A little bit more expensive of a stock, but looking for a possible washout with this one. CAPR is up to 195. We'll see what it does here as well. Get my U stock back up. Alright guys, we got a minute left. SureTrader, I didn't mind SureTrader. It's not a bad broker, honestly. You got to be careful because the platform fees are really high, as well as the commissions and a lot of the other stuff. And so it's quite expensive. And the leverage can hurt a lot of traders, but if you know what you're doing, you can use the leverage to your advantage. And so, you know, I don't mind SureTrader. It's not too bad. All right, guys, we got 10 seconds. Good luck. Market's about to open right now. Alright, and we're open. Alright, so there goes CAPRs dropping. GMO is running a little bit. FNSR is pushing up here. CHFS trying here, DPW. DPW is going up to break that pre-market high at 583, although this one's overextended, so I'm looking for a possible drop in this one. CHFS is running here. I went ahead and got out of IBIO here. I'll go ahead and get out of EARS on Robinhood as well. All right, so there goes DPW breaking the high of the day. CHFS broke the low of the day. CAPR trying to make a comeback here. DPW washing out. Yeah, see, that's why I said it might be a good short once it got up to around this pre-market high. Got rejected at $6. HMNY is washing out some. Specs, SPEX. SPEX is running, guys. Can't trade it here. It's limited on U stock, which is absolutely ridiculous. This one has tons of volume. Has a beautiful push. Don't know if I'll be able to take advantage of it though. Alright, so I'm at a RCON now as well on Robinhood. I set a stop loss at 133. Right under the low of day. Didn't make it. Got some tough action here, a lot of backwards action. MARA, SPEX faking people out, washing out. MARA's been trying to run this morning. A lot of kind of sideways action in the market at the open. Watching STRM here. A lot of sideways action. Not really, kind of indecisiveness in the market this morning, I guess. BETR is running a little bit. AXTI. BLPH. ADMS. NOK. NOK's trying to run here. IMGN's been running a little bit. Alright, so there goes STRM. Looking for some follow through volume. Alright, so I'm in STRM here with 100 shares. It just broke the high. To 165, 167. Nice. We'll see if it follows through here. Up to 168. Back up to 168 again. Went back down to 166. Get a little bit more time here. Back up to 167. I think it may reverse here. Back up to 167. I'll try to give it a little bit of time for a pullback to see if it keeps running, but I'm not that confident in it, in all honesty. Nice job, Andre. DPW. Yeah, DPW's just been indecisive lately. All right, back up to 168. 169. There we go. 170. 171. 172. Go ahead and get out here for a $8 gain, maybe $7 or $8 gain. Not too bad. But STRM's running a little bit. Got out a little bit too early, it looks like. But hey, I took my profits. Took a chunk of it. Yeah, definitely got out too early, though. Oh, I hate it when this happens. Man, up to 180 now, guys. Not going to chase it, though. Made my profit on it. Going to accept it and move on. CAPR here is trying to hold the low of the day. Watching BLPH. GROW, maybe neat. MBVX maybe. UTSI. ERIC. ERIC is running a little bit here. LTEA. Oh yeah, LTEA. Nice one. I missed that one. Check out LTEA. It's trying to make it over 3 now. CPAH. Check out CPAH here. Up to 350. Up to 386. CPAH is running, guys. Look at this move up to 386. Probably not going to touch it, but it's running pretty huge right now. NOC is pushing up some. All right, so CPAH is halted, guys. Crazy move on CPAH. OCLR. OCLR is at 740 now. PYDS trying to have a kind of a washout long setup here. GROW's been running a little bit all morning. Watching OCLR here. It has decent volume this morning on OCLR. PIR. Kind of watching OCLR, thinking about jumping in maybe. Worried it might get rejected at that $0.50 though. It's the only thing stopping me from it. Didn't get filled on U stock. Up to 748. Would have been a nice jump in, but missed my entry on OCLR. Now I'm worried it maybe get rejected at this $0.50. We'll see how it responds. Has a really nice pattern going on here though with it. ADMS. LBIX is pushing up some. Having kind of a ridiculous move on LBIX. AXON pushing over to the high of the day on AXON. Alright, so CPAH is resumed. At 428. What a crazy move. And BFY, DPW. Still trying here on DPW to get over. COTY has been running up all morning. LTEA is washing out. OCLR flagging a little bit under the $0.50 at 750. Pushing back up. Up to 750 now. Watching OCLR here. Sitting right at 750. CPAH is still trying to push up over 450. Nice, Andre. Nice, Arbuck. BW's been running a little bit all morning. Thinking about getting in via OCLR here, but a little bit skeptical here. Don't want to get caught in a fake out here. There it goes. We'll see if it holds support here. MFIN. Trying to run a little bit with some volume here, maybe. Alright, so I'm in OCLR here. See if it follows through. Just broke the high of the day. Up to 56. Back down to 53. Trying to give OCLR a little bit more time here, but it doesn't look like it wants to hold. We'll see though. I might get out pretty soon here. We go to get out here. I'm out. Just didn't know. I'll watch it to see if it breaks it again here, but too sketchy. If it breaks the high of day after I got out, I'm going to be frustrated. Nice, Andre. Killing it today, man. Good job, bro. VIAV. Been running up some. NXTD. NXTD ran a little bit, guys. You can see that. Watching OCLR here. Tried to get in there. It was too close to the order price. Need some more volume though. That's the biggest thing. Back down to 754. Yeah, that looks like there's a wall there. NXTD. I can't trade this one on TradeNet. CNHI. VIAB has been slowly grinding up all day today. HEB. Yeah, it has a nice volume. We'll see if it can break that 34-cent area. RETO is waking up a little bit here. RETO. Doubtful it's available on TradeNet just because there's no volume. Oh, it is. Okay, so RETO. Sitting at 850 now. It's had a volume spike today. Alright, so there goes RETO here. Let's look for the follow through volume here. Huge spread. I don't like the spread. The spread's at 867. It's a 17-cent spread, so ridiculous spread on it. Just don't like that aspect. 40-cent spread now, 30-cent spread. Too much. Maybe a short on OCLR here would be beneficial. Alright, so I'm short OCLR here with only 50 shares, or 75 shares, I believe. SRRA is running a little bit. Go ahead and set a stop at 7.57 for like a $5 loss on this one for that high of the day. Sorry, phone ringing. Okay, so I've got that stop loss set on OCLR here for a $5 loss if I do take one. Watching SRRA right here. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, I'm back. OCLR testing that 750 level again. I mean, this may be a pullback, but I'm just going to go ahead and short it. But I think I may have jumped on it a little bit too soon. And I'm just trying to get a successful short, but I think I may be chasing with this one and being stubborn with it. So HEB. HEB broke the high of the day. Alright, so OCLR broke it again, broke 750. At 752. Yeah, I've got my stop set for a 750 loss. I forgot I had 75 shares instead of 50 shares. I'm just going to stick to my plan though and let myself get stopped out if I do. I don't know, Arbuck. I'm not sure. Yeah, CPAH, guys. Look at CPAH here. It got halted again on the way up. Crazy move on CPAH. TECK has been running all morning, a little bit more expensive of a stock. MUX is starting to break out here with some volume. Going to keep an eye on MUX here. SND, SS8, SSN. Nice job, Andre. Good trade, man. Still watching OCLR here. If it starts to push back up and breaks this high right here, I'll probably end up getting out at 753. Yeah. Yeah, it's moving crazy, man. CPAH. But it's pushing up really nicely. And I mean, this halt might be a good thing. I think it'll probably resume over that high of day on CPAH. ACHN. Trying to run up a little bit. ACHN. Ego. On CPAH. Hey, I hope it gets that way up there for you, man. That'd be a nice gain. FGP. Let's see. FGP maybe, FSM, UTSI, BPTH, cheap stock running a little bit, SOI, MFIN, MFIN's running a little bit. Not a ton of volume, but it's still moving here. There goes MFIN up to 363. I'm trying to be patient with OCLR here, but volume's kind of going down. IGC a little bit, baby. No. RCON. Kind of creeping back up towards that high of the day. We'll see. Right. I feel that, Andre. I'm kind of the same way. I need to work on my patience. I hate holding OCLR right now. I just don't like it. It's up to 751. 752. This might be my cue to get out here. I'm trying to stick to my plan on OCLR here. I just don't like this slow gradual movement up. Alright, I set my stop at 754. That's where I feel comfortable with. If it breaks that previous high right there, I'm out. If not, we'll see what it does. GREK. And I've noticed about myself, like I have the best results right at the open. You can see I had a profitable trade. I was up $8 at one point, and then trying to get into these trades where I sit here and wait and hold is just not my style of trading. I wonder when CPAH is going to get resumed here. GROW. Hey, it's creeping up towards that high of the day here. Yeah, here goes OCLR. I got stopped out. I got stopped out quick. It wasn't a bad stop out though. And so on the day, I'm probably down $6 after these last two U-Trade trades. Just frustrating. So there goes CPAH here. It's up to 560 now. This is what's ridiculous on U-Stock. This is what's absolutely ridiculous. CPAH has the most volume out of any of these stocks. There's obviously somebody else trading CPAH on U-Stock right now. The fact that it's labeled limited liquidity on U-Stock right now is complete ridiculousness. Okay? This thing has the most volume out of all of these stocks I'm looking at. The most volume out of all of these. And it is still limited liquidity on U-Stock. That is absolutely ridiculous. And if OCLR goes up there and just taps my stop and then washes out, I'm going to be so angry. But this is what's ridiculous about U-Stock. Like, I like U-Stock. I think it's good for new traders most of the time. But this is just ridiculous. Like, they cannot pretend like there's nobody else on the other side of this trade on CPAH. They can't say that. Like, this thing has the most volume out of all of these stocks. You know there's somebody on the other side of it. And so it makes me think they honestly have another agenda. Because that's ridiculous. Like, CPAH has the most volume right now out of everything. Sorry for the rant, guys, but that is absolutely absurd that it's labeled limited liquidity right now. This thing has been halted twice because it's had too much volume. And they're going to make it limited liquidity? That's absolute nonsense, man. Nice job, Andre. And look, there goes OCLR. It taps my stop. It literally got right up to my stop at 154, at 754. That's the market makers just messing around with people. You know, they're smart enough to, some people are going to set their stop right above this previous high. And so they're going to go right up there, tap it out, and then drop back down. But yeah, I'm frustrated because I wanted to get in CPAH for some of this move, and now I can't. Yeah, I need to just stick to what works for me, which is trading right at the open, and stay away from forcing trades after that. Right. You see that, Platinum? Whatever stock is moving with the most volume, for some reason it's labeled limited liquidity. You know what I mean? Like, that's the sketchy thing about it. Like, this was, if there's one stock that should not be labeled limited liquidity right now, it's CPAH. This one is the only one out of all of these that I could see that it should never be labeled limited liquidity right now. And the fact that it is super sketchy. You know? Yeah, I think so too, Andre. I think that's exactly what it is. And there goes OCLR. OCLR literally went up to right where my stop loss was at 754 and then dropped under 750. I think that's another reason I'm frustrated too. Now it's down to 747. That's ridiculous too. I want to jump back in it for a short now, but I don't know. frustrating morning for sure. Yeah, this is the type of stuff in the market that frustrates me. I should have stuck to my plan. It's my fault. I set my original stop at 757. If I would have kept it there, it would have been no problem. But that's my problem. I'm not good at holding stocks for longer periods of times. But yeah, this is absurd on CPAH. That is absolutely ridiculous. CLIR, possible breakout here. I guess it's just the fact that it's insulting for them to label it that, you know? Like, anybody really believes that CPAH right now has low liquidity? Like, it doesn't have any liquidity right now, trading at least 50,000 shares a minute, most of the time over 100,000 shares. Like, for anybody to really believe that it doesn't have any liquidity right now, that's BS. That's nonsense. GEN is up to 76 cents, having a little volume spike here. GEN. See if it follows through here some. Right, look at this. Look at all this liquidity right here. For them to pretend it doesn't. And it's not even that. I mean, it's supposedly it's like that because there's not anybody else to take the other side of the trade. All right, guys, I might be done for the day. This is super frustrating. OCLR literally went right up to my stop loss, stopped me out, and then washed out under the low of this previous candle. GEN had a really nice volume spike. And I think, honestly, OCLR is the most frustrating to me. This thing literally went right up there to my 754 stop, came all the way back down, and then washed out when I was going short in it. Would have been my first successful short trade. CAPR washed out as well. Yeah, you got to be careful with that, Andre. ESNC has been slowly grinding up, guys. It's a much cheaper stock, but it's been slowly grinding up here. Basically took away my win from yesterday, so I'm right back to where I was at the start of the week on TradeNet after commissions. IGC getting a volume spike here. ENTA, a little bit more expensive as stock has been running. Yeah, I think I'm probably done for the day, guys. Really frustrating day. CHFS is washing out below that previous low. Yeah, CPAH, we'll see if it holds support at 5. Volumes kind of went down a lot, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. There's just not any volume with anything really, except for CPAH, and U-Stock is being really weird about that. So happy for you, Andre. Nice job, man. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close the stream down now. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see me day trade my small accounts live at the open every morning. You know, I know a lot of people are paying for chat rooms and paying for all this stuff. This stream is 100% free. We go over what's moving in the market already. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, guys. And everybody, if you appreciate this content, click the like button right now in the stream. We appreciate the support, guys. But yeah, good luck if you decide to get in anything else in the rest of the day. And thanks for watching, guys. I should be doing another Power Hour stream today at 3:15 or 3:30, so be sure to join that and check that out. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell next to it if you want to get the alert when I do go live. And yeah, guys, good luck. Thanks for watching.